Hi, my name is Pedro Hongitud, and this is my individual activity of the first practice. First, for the electrical components, we have the input voltage of 24 volts and the reference ground. We also have two switches that are activated by push buttons. BM will activate the system and BP will stop it. Then we also have two different switches, K1, K2, and K3, that are related to the relays K1, K2, and K3 respectively. Then we also have here two signals that are related to the solenoids of the pneumatic part. And we have two sensors. A0 is related to the initial position of the piston, and A1 is related to the final position. The sensors are NPN type, so the relays must be connected to the positive terminal because the output of the sensors will be the reference ground. For the pneumatic components, we have the air supply, the air service unit, a 3-2 valve that will act like an emergency stop button, and a 5-2 valve that will descend that with the solenoids will help to activate the piston. Okay, for the function of this circuit, when BM is activated, then the relay K1 is going to be on. So all the switches of K1 are going to be on, they will close and allow the current to pass. This part will be activated until BP is pushed and K1 is on again, off again. Okay, if we activated only BM, then this K1 will be activated. And the initial position of the piston is A0. So the sensor will activate it, lead a signal to K3, and the K3 switches will going to be on. So they're going to close and allow all the current to pass until J1. This solenoid J1 will move this valve to the right, making that the air supply goes through line 4 and the pistons start moving. When the piston reach A1, the sensor will be activated, send a signal to relay K2, and this switch will be closed. The current will pass, and the solenoid J2 is going to move the valve to the left, making that the air passes through line 2 and returning the piston to its initial position. No matter which if VM or BP are activated, if we push the emergency button, the system will stop. So let's start the simulation. At the end, it does not do anything until we activate VM. This means like K1 is activated, allowing the the rest of the circuit to works. When it is A0, there is a time when it is a signal here in K3. And when this happens, this is activated and J1 activates and move the piston. Then when it reaches to maximum length, K2 detects there is a signal and J2 returns. This will happen until BP is pushed. So K1 is no longer activated and nothing happens. And then the emergency button. If we push this button, it will stop the system. There are no air supply. So it doesn't matter how many times we push or what we do in the electrical system. If we do not return the emergency button, the piston is not going to move. For stopping it, we just need to push BP and the system will stop. Thank you.